Students, now we can see book back exercise. Here one web chart given. You see the heading. Based on reading of the poem, complete the web chart given below. Jeev Patel's poem is about. What are the things he told in his poem? That is we going to see in the web chart. First one, the difficulty of killing a tree. As you think, with a simple jab of knife, we cannot kill a tree. This is difficult of killing a tree. Second one, to create a new awareness in the minds of the people. What are the awareness the poet gave to the people to stop the deforestation? Okay, so to create a new awareness in the mind of the people. Third one, to understand the pain of the tree. We have to understand the pain of tree. Like a human being, when we cut the tree, it feels pain. Fourth one, cutting a tree is an act of murder. Like a human being, cutting a tree also a crime. Okay, this is equal to murder. Next one, he emphasized that tree is the symbol of mankind. The tree is the symbol of mankind. The last one, disapproval of mankind is failure to care for the earth. If you not care for the earth means, then mankind is failure, humanity is failure. Okay, so we should take care for the earth and the plants. Okay, children. Another one book exercise you see here. Taking clues from the list on the board, complete the following chart. Another one flow chart is given here. The heading is, how will you protect trees? How will you protect trees? Here, more filling the blanks given. I will and I will not. In the two kinds, they gave the fill up. This is what are the things you are thinking, you can write here. You can write your own answer. But here, I will give some answers. Okay, you also can write as your own. See the first one. I will take care of trees. First point, I will take care of the trees that I have grown. You can write anything. I will plant the tree, like that you can write. But I wrote here, I will take care of tree that I have grown. I will not, the above box you see, I will not cut a tree. Will and will not. In both the heading you have to give the answer. You have to fill the chart. I will not cut a tree. Okay, like that you can write. Next one, third one you see, I will grow more trees or I will plant more trees. Anything you can write as your wish. Fourth one, I will not let the trees withered. Withered means dried. I will not let means allow. The trees withered. Withered means dried. Okay, next one, I will regularly water the plants. You can say, I will regularly put manure the plants. Like that you can say, manure or fertilizer. Manure only correct one because that is natural fertilizer. Manure you can say. Next one, the last one, I will not spray harmful chemicals on the tree. I will not spray harmful chemicals on the tree. In the middle one you see, I will protect the trees. Okay children, this answer I gave in my own, but you can write another answer, that is your wish. Okay children, now we can see the summary of the poem. This is today homework, so listen to me very carefully. You see summary of the poem. The poet explains the process of killing a tree. A lot of work has to be done in order to kill a tree. Again, a second answer also kill a tree, or you can write that uproot a tree completely. Uproot a tree completely. It cannot be accomplished by merely cutting it with a jab of the knife. The tree has grown strong with the help of sunlight, air and water for countless years. Even the bark of the tree gives rise to leaves. The boughs means branches, sprouts new twigs and leaves. in a short period they grow into a new tree. So to kill it completely, one should take out its roots completely from the soil. Then they should be exposed to sun and air. Only then the tree will be completely killed. Okay children, this is today's homework. You have to write the heading summary of the poem on killing a tree. Like that you have to give the heading. Under that you have to write this paragraph. Answer should be underlined. That is very important. You have to study and write, then send me clearly. Okay children? Okay, thank you.